Tama o mali?
4 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10.
Tama o mali?
6 plus 12 divided by 4 times 2. 12 divided by 4 becomes 3. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12.
Tama o mali?
3 squared minus 4. 6 plus 1 minus 2. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And 3 squared is equal to 9. So now it became 9 minus 4 times 7 minus 2. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. So 9 minus 28 minus 2 is equal to 21.
Tama o mali?
14 divided by 9 minus 2 plus 1 times 6. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 6 is equal to 18.
Tama o mali?
4 plus 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Plus 4 is equal to 20.
Tama o mali?
2 plus 6 plus 8 squared. 8 squared is equal to 64. So 2 plus 6 plus 64 is equal to 72.
Tama o mali?
9 plus 9 minus 4 times 2. 9 minus 4 times 2 is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10.
Tama o mali?
4 squared plus 19 minus 15 times 3. 19 minus 15 is equal to 4. So, and 4 squared is equal to 16. So 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. And 28 times 3. 28 times 3 is equal to 87. So my final answer is 87.
Tama
Negative
o mali?
4 times negative 2 plus 2, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. And negative 4 times negative 2 is equal to positive 8. So 2 times 11 is equal to 22 plus 8 is equal to 30.
Tama o mali?
8 minus 6 times 2 plus 5 times 3 squared. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 21 squared is equal to 441. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 2 plus 441 is equal to 443.
Tama o mali?
27 over negative 3 plus 12 divided by 4 cubed. 27 over negative 3 is equal to 9. And 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 3 cubed is equal to 27. So, negative 9 plus 27 is equal to...
Tama o mali?
IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.